up your sleep. Students' slogan is to go to sleep easily. छोड़ पढ़ना लिखना, छोड़ पढ़ाई, नकल पे रख आस, उठा रजाई सो जा बच्चे रब करेगा पास. That is your slogan. Students' slogan is this. Whichever way you do it, but earning matters. One 20-year-old lady got married to a 100-year-old guy. So this 20-year-old's friend came and asked, क्या देखा तूने उसमें? हाँ? 100 साल का बुढ़ाऊ है, तू 20 साल की सुंदर लड़की है, क्या देखा उसमें? Said very simple. पहले तो उनका इनकम, दूसरा उनके दिन कम. Very simple. His income is heavy and his din is come. Simple. You see anyone studying hard and coming first, मैं भी आऊंगा first. मैं कोई इतना गया गुजरूं, I'll also come. That day, books starts. Goes on for 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. My God. Then exam comes. ऐसे भी कुछ होता नहीं अपने छोड़ दे. One guy went to the exam hall and the question paper was MCQs only, multiple choice question. तो उसको कुछ नहीं आता था. So he took out a 1 rupee coin from his pocket. Head tossing, head take, tail wrong, head take, tail wrong. So he kept doing this. 5 मिनट में 1 घंटे का पेपर खत्म करके उसने हेड टेल करना है, बस उसमें क्या है? Finished. And he didn't even leave the hall. Sat in the hall for 50 minutes. Last 5 मिनट बाकी था ना, फिर कॉइन निकाला और पैनिक ही टॉसिंग. So the supervisor is saying, रास्कल तेरा हो गया ना 5 मिनट में टॉसिंग करके कर दिया तू, और 50 मिनट बैठा लास्ट में बोला आंसर राइट है क्या रॉन्ग है देख रहा हूं. टॉसिंग दिस कॉइन टू सी वेदर द आंसर्स आर राइट. An MCQ, you can imagine. My goodness. So he was walking back home and that night he saw a farmer. The farmer said, मंत्री साहब आप बहुत टेंशन में लग रहे, क्या हुआ? बोला वो राजा पूछता है भगवान का काम क्या है रोज का. मुझे मालूम नहीं, कल नहीं बताऊं तो सर का. बोला मैं बताता हूं. बोला you are a farmer, what? You said you take me, I'll tell. So he went. And the king was sitting on a throne like that, you know that Vikramaditya kind of throne, like step होता है, ऊपर ऐसा राजा बैठता है, वैसा that kind of a throne. And the farmer came with the minister. The king said, so, what is the daily job of God? You claim to know, na? He said, पहले तो नीचे उतर, फिर बताता हूं, you get down. So he walked all the way from the steps down and came down. And this guy, farmer, went and sat on the throne. And he asked, अभी पूछ क्या है? नॉलेज नीचे से ऊपर नहीं जाता, ऊपर से नीचे आता है, तो पहले नीचे बैठे थे राजा. Then he asked, now ask your questions. The king said, rascal, you're sitting on the throne, now tell me what is the daily job of God? The farmer said, this is the daily job of God. To pull down from top those who are proud and to uplift those who are humble. You know? That is the daily job of God. To bring down those who are proud and to put up on a pedestal those who are. You know what's the difference between envy and jealousy? The difference between envy and jealousy is passive, envy is active. For example, if you see this machine of mine and if you feel jealous of me, आप केवल सोचते रहेंगे ये टकले के पास ना टकले का. But you won't do anything. It's a passive feeling. You know what envy is? इसके पास मैं हो गया, इसके पास मैं हो गया, थोड़ा बाहर जा, पत्थर लगे, तोड़ दे इसको. That is envy. You know, the difference between jealousy and envy is jealousy is a passive feeling. Envy is an active expression of that passive feeling of jealousy. छोड़ूंगा नहीं इसको, मैं दिखा के रहूंगा, तोड़ के दिखाऊंगा, फोड़ के दिखाऊंगा, कुछ तो करके